In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appeal an Instagram account suspension. If your Instagram account has been suspended by mistake, don't worry. In many cases, you can request a review directly through Instagram's appeal process. The most important thing is to stay calm, follow the steps carefully, and make sure the information you enter is accurate and up to date. To begin, open the suspension screen in Instagram. This is usually the screen that appears when you try to log in and are notified that your account has been suspended or disabled. On that screen, look for the option that says Appeal and tap it to move forward. This will take you to the official appeal process, where Instagram gives you a chance to explain your situation. Once the appeal form opens, fill it out carefully. You'll need to enter your full name, your Instagram username, and an active email address. Make sure the email address you provide is one you can access easily, because that's where Instagram may send updates or ask for additional verification. It's also a good idea to double check your username before continuing, since even a small typo could delay the review. After that, you'll see a space where you can explain why the suspension was an error. This part is important, so keep your message clear, polite, and direct. Briefly describe that you believe the suspension was a mistake and mention any relevant context that supports your appeal. Avoid writing a long emotional message or including unrelated details. A concise explanation is usually more effective and easier for the review team to understand. When everything is filled in, take a moment to review the form one more time. Confirm that your name, username, and email are correct, and make sure your explanation clearly states your case. Then click Submit to send your appeal. After submitting, all that's left is to wait for Instagram's response. Review times can vary, so be patient and keep checking the email account you used on the form. If Instagram needs more information, respond promptly so the process can continue smoothly. That's it. By opening the suspension screen, tapping Appeal, completing the official form explaining why the suspension was an error, and submitting the request, you've completed the appeal process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.